the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're going to make a turkey chili with black beans. This is so exciting. I love chili, and today we're going to use turkey because it is a lean meat. There's only 7% fat, so it's much healthier for you than ground beef, and we're going to add lots of wonderful flavors to it with our cumin and cayenne chili powder. We're going to add corn as well, crushed tomatoes, diced tomatoes, onions, celery, carrots, cilantro, and here's our jalapeno for some heat. So let me get everything mise en place and I will show you how to make it.
Please subscribe so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you.
I'm gonna brown our turkey. So turkey really, because it's so lean, doesn't have a lot of fat. So I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to our pan and heat that up over sort of medium-high heat. And we're gonna dump in the turkey and brown it just like you would regular ground beef. All right, so with a wooden spoon, sort of break up the turkey. So I've been browning the ground turkey for about 5 minutes. And you can see the bottom's getting a nice little golden brown. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this out and then I'll brown the next pound of ground turkey. So I've browned the second pound of turkey, and in the bottom of our pan, we're gonna add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, depending on what you prefer. I prefer 2 tablespoons. And if you're a heart-healthy person and want a better diet, then only 1 tablespoon is fine. And now we're gonna saute our onions. So that was 2 Spanish onions chopped. We're gonna saute those until they're light golden brown, and then we'll add in our carrots. Now that our onions have a light golden brown edge, we're gonna add in our carrots. And the carrots take a little while, so we're gonna let these sit in there sauteing for 2 minutes. And the next thing that'll go in will be in our celery, then our jalapeno. Our carrots have been sauteing for 2 minutes, and now we're gonna add in our celery and our jalapeno, which I diced nice and small. Our jalapeno and celery have been sauteing for a minute, and now we're gonna start adding in all of our seasonings. So I have a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. We're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of chili powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper powder, and 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. Now, if you're somebody who likes heat, you could even add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, but I prefer a little bit milder, so only 1/2 teaspoon for me. So we're gonna stir this up and all of our seasonings in there. Oh, it's beginning to smell absolutely wonderful. And now we're gonna add back our browned turkey. Let me get that in. So we're gonna stir that up. And then we're gonna add to it, this is 28 ounces of diced tomatoes. We're gonna add 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes and stir it all up. And make sure you bring this to a boil and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Now that it's been simmering for 20 minutes, we're gonna add in our black beans and our corn. 2 cans of corn that were drained and our 2 cans of black beans that were drained and rinsed off. We're gonna stir this in, we're gonna simmer it for another 20 minutes, and our last thing to go in will be the cilantro, and then we'll simmer all of that together for another 20 minutes. This has been simmering for 20 minutes, and so now let's add in our 1/2 bunch of chopped cilantro. I'm gonna turn the heat down just a little bit, and we're gonna let it simmer again for another 20 minutes. This smells amazing. Oh, I can't wait to taste it. This is a great Tex-Mex turkey chili. See all the corn and the black beans. We're gonna get this in our bowl. I'm gonna add some garnish to it. I love putting toppings on my chili. And I make a large batch because I like to freeze half of it for another time. I cannot wait to try it. This is right out of the pot, and we're gonna garnish it. I love to put a big dollop of sour cream right there in the middle. Extra. I love sour cream on my chili. And then a sprinkling of red onions, just a couple on the top. Our cheddar cheese all around. I love cheddar cheese melting on the top of this too. Oh, cannot wait to try. And then a garnish of chopped cilantro on the very top. Oh, that looks absolutely beautiful. All right, let's give it a taste. This looks so good. That was so delicious. I cannot wait to eat the rest of this. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out all of our videos on our YouTube channel. This is our Tex-Mex turkey chili with corn and black beans. I hope it inspires you to make this at home. Enjoy the recipe. It is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.
For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and Fun in the Kitchen. Thank you.